everyone, welcome to my channel Magnetic Aura with Arichita. So today I'll be talking about the auspicious day that is Dhanteras and also Diwali. What is the meaning and how we can celebrate that in a very deep level. Dhanteras is a celebration that reminds us about Dhanvantar, and he was an avatar of Lord Vishnu. It's been said that, and he was a great healer. He was a physical healer. So when we eat 14 vegetables in this day, we actually remember that we are healing our physical body. We take care about our physical body. And if you see that many people, they celebrate by buying the gold, and remember, you see, when we actually talk about Lord Vishnu, the avatar, the Dhanvantari, so when he comes, there comes a Lord Lakshmi also. So it's also talk about the balance between two self, that the masculine and the feminine self. So which form you celebrate, it doesn't matter. We just have to recognize that why we are doing that. So whenever we buy gold, it actually also remembering us that we are gifting ourselves the gold, that is prosperity. So it's also talk about self-love. So both the thing actually talk about self-love. We have to pamper ourselves. And in the Diwali, what we do? In Diwali also we celebrate by lighting up the candle. What does it mean? It actually remove all the ignorance from within. So today I'll be doing one card reading and also a small invocation. So whenever you do celebrate this auspicious day, whenever you light up a candle, you can actually heal yourself from within. How to do that? You have to set an intention. Whenever you are buying any gold, set an intention that I am prosperous. Thank you. I am so grateful. I am prosperous. I am gifting myself this gold. And when you light up the candle, what you can do? Thank you. I am so blessed that I am healing my ignorance from within and installing, or I am receiving the energy of the form of prosperity, love, whatever you want in your life, you can wish that. So let's do a card reading for everyone for this beautiful day. Let's see what it's all of your guardian angels. Today will be doing the angelic card reading, not the tarot card reading. So let's see what is the card is I'm getting for every one of you. Great. Romance. It's a beautiful card reading. So if you see this card, you can see this also talk about the divine romance. In the physical layer, we do know that what love is. And in the deeper level, it's also talk about the balance within and the without. See, we have to balance our inner world first. The thought, the emotion. Whenever everything is energy, the thought we create, when it is sync with the purpose, it radiates the good emotion from within. You will feel like joy, love, and then you act on it. Definitely you will get the success and the prosperity. So let's do a small invocation to celebrate that. These things you can do next 5 days and see how the change happen in your life. So close your eyes. Imagine that you are lighting up a candle, or you can do one thing. If you don't have candle right now, you can close your eyes and visualize you are lighting up a candle. Close your eyes and you lighting up a candle and set an intention for deep healing, and set an intention that your life is going to change from now. Now let's invoke together mentally or verbally, you can say with me. I am a flame of golden light. Feel and visualize the light of golden pink light is getting inside your aura, your physical body, physical subconscious, cellular subconscious, and the organ subconscious. Every part within you, it's radiating with the golden light. I am a flame of golden light. I am a flame of golden wisdom. Feel that the beautiful golden light is touching your thought, your mind, your subconscious layer, and release all the obstacle and the rigid thought, consecutive thoughts that is within. Don't try hard, just set intention and relax. It is working in the background. Take a deep breath. I am a golden flame of joy, and be aware of your heart. Feel the healing that is happening within you. Whenever do or start any work for next 5 days, you can do these beautiful rituals. You can light up a candle and do this 2 minutes work and see how it affect your life. You can comment me, you can follow me in the Magnetic Aura with Arishita. And if you want a one-to-one soul card reading where you can get to know about the purpose and the soul mission, you will be also connecting with your blockages that is actually holding you back, so that you can heal that in a proper way and you can easily move on with the highest potential. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.